How to change your player name in Uno. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your player name in Uno. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, of course, you will need to have the Uno app. You can easily get it from your App Store or Google Play Store. After you get it, open it up and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you do that, this is what it will look like. Now if you want to change your name in Uno, it's really simple. Simply head over to your icon that is on the top left, and after you do that, you will see this tiny pen icon right beside your username. Tap on it, and right here you will need to re-enter your name. Your first rename is free. Use a renamer item next time, so simply type in your new name. I'll just type in my new name here, and after you type in your new name, you can simply tap on done and tap on confirm, and then tap on confirm again. After you do that, you will have changed your name, and yeah, that is basically how you do it. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.